On September 1st, the Earth is experiencing a series of earthquakes, tremors, and seismic events with notably higher intensity. Experts predict that September could be an especially turbulent month in terms of seismic activity. Recently, a powerful earthquake was confirmed in Papua New Guinea, reinforcing this forecast. This country, located in Oceania, was just struck by a 6.4 magnitude earthquake, 57 kilometers south of Panguna, at a depth of 41 kilometers. The quake, which strongly impacted the coast of Papua New Guinea, spread across nearby islands and triggered large waves that hit the local shores. Despite the intensity of the earthquake, seismology specialists have indicated that no tsunamis are expected in other regions like Chile. However, more than 290,000 people in Papua New Guinea clearly felt this tremor, highlighting its significant impact on the population. The Pacific Ring of Fire, which includes countries like Argentina, Ecuador, Chile, Peru, Colombia, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Panama, Mexico, the United States, and Canada, remains a high-risk seismic zone. This ring is responsible for about 80% of the world's most powerful earthquakes, underscoring the need for caution. Additionally, in the coming days, seismic activity is likely to be recorded in the Philippines, Japan, and Indonesia. Given this situation, specialists recommend that we be prepared with emergency kits, as a strong tremor or earthquake could occur at any time without warning. Prevention and preparedness are key to facing these natural events.